Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So this is a I-beam chin-up bar bracket. It's a homemade, made out of 2x4s and long 10-inch hex bolts. If you have one of these iron, what do they call these? Iron Gym or PX90 chin-up bars that would normally go into a door frame, but if you don't want to mess up your door frame, you can just make a box frame, connect it to your I-beam, and that's rock solid. That will not come down. It doesn't move whatsoever. You can do pull-ups. Chin-ups. You can do the easy grip. Just super solid. So that's it. It's a homemade I-beam chin-up bar bracket.